In this video, I will guide you through a simple rhythmic exercise that can clear the fog, sharpen your thinking, boost your memory, and bring your energy back. No experience needed, no equipment, no pressure. And no, you don't need to be musical. Just follow along. So if you are ready to get rid of brain fog and feel more mentally alive, let's jump in. After 40, a lot of us start noticing the signs. We forget names, lose focus easily, or feel like our brain's just tired. Add to that the stress, busy routines, screens everywhere. It's no wonder our minds feel foggy. This short exercise will help you sharpen your memory, improve focus and coordination, reduce stress and mental fatigue, and lift your mood naturally. Here's the simple truth. Your brain is a muscle, and just like your body, it needs movement to stay sharp. There is where this exercise comes in. With rhythm, body percussion, and your voice will wake up your brain. It is simple, joyful, and very effective. I'm 57, and let me tell you this, I'm not chasing my younger self, but I've learned how to stay clear-headed and full of energy. And exercises like this one have been a big part of that. Not just to boost memory and focus, but to feel energized, present, and full of vitality. All right, ready to give your brain a boost? Before we start, just a quick reminder. When I say right, I mean your right, which is my left, and vice versa. Okay, let's do this. Follow me step by step. Hit your thigh with your left hand. Hit your upper chest twice with your right. Snap with your left. Snap with your right. One more time. Hit your thigh with your left hand. Hit your upper chest twice with your right. Snap with your left. Snap with your right. Let me show you with a little bit more tempo how it looks when I count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I will count you in and we're gonna do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, let's add the last part. It goes like this. Clap your hands, cross and hit your arms, and say, hey. Once again, clap your hands, cross and hit your arms, and say, hey. When I count, the exercise looks like this. I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. 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 Now I will count you in and we're gonna do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. 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 Great. Before I show you how the full exercise looks, I just want to say how important this kind of exercise has been for me. I'm almost 60 now and practicing this for just 5 to 10 minutes a day completely changed my life. I used to feel mentally foggy, often distracted and low on energy. But through rhythm and body percussion, I started to regain focus, improve my memory, lift my mood, and feel more connected to myself again. That's why it's so important for me to share this with you. If you are enjoying this and want to experience even deeper benefits, I've created a full online course called NEUROGROOVE, designed to help people over 40 stay sharp, focused, and full of energy through rhythm and joy. You will find the link in the description below. Okay, now let me show you how the full exercise looks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 hey. Now it's your turn again. Let's do this together. Let me count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, 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 hey. That's it. Great job. You just trained your brain, boosted your coordination, and gave yourself a mental reset in just few minutes. If you want to keep your brain sharp and improve your memory, then watch this video right here. I'm sure you will enjoy this other short exercise to boost your brain power. And before you go, let me know in the comments, how did this exercise feel for you? I would love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.